problem. It wasn't a problem because those people, they...
That is the stuff of nightmares, man.
In Chinese, how do you say, buy that one? How do you say it?
Buy that one?
Buy that one.
No. I know. 你们就是想说那个。
How do you say it? I don't know.
买那个。
What? Wow.
I'm not doing that. I'm running under the assumption that I'm basically taking my dedicated.
You can still use your Snapchat and send nudes to all the guys that you have that have sub-tier treated you.
Just no because problem. I sent nudes to you one time because you asked for them and you sent me a dick pic doesn't mean I send nudes to everyone. You asked for it and you sent me your penis.
What? Oh my god, what?
What the fuck?
Holy shit! Alright.
You can't slut me out here, Knut. That's not how this works. You asked for it.
You sent them.
One I said.
You ready for the secret?
What's the secret, fam?
9 slow thrusts, 1 hard one.
Okay, but I can't last that long, dude.
8 soft thrusts, 2 hard ones.
7 swans of
It
spitting.
depends on the girl, though. Like,
3 ones.
Like, what is
you
this?
see that work with
How am I gonna remember all this?
It's a
Does that
technique.
work with every girl?
Just
Like
remember that.
technique? Dude, this
Nine-
should be,
nine
this should
hard
be a rap
thrusts.
song, yo.
9 hard thrusts. Wait, 9 hard thrusts, 1
9 soft, like
thrust.
slow thrusts, and then not obviously not a.
Yeah. Alright, I got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna, okay, I'll try.
And then 2, and then 7, and then 3. You know, it's a technique.
What?
Sex. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this guy's pooping.
He's pooping, dude.
My shit.
Oh. The poo poo.
Eat the poo poo.
Eat my
Eat the poo poo. Eat the poo poo.
Eat the poo poo.
Eat the poo-poo. Hey.
Or coat, or maybe even some Explorer knickers. Knickers. That's what it's called in the game. I like that. All right. Well, in any case, so we're gonna go to a break. When we come back, game number 3, we're gonna see more PUBG live.
They think that we are... Wait, what?
Wow, I'm so wet.
What did you just say?
他们怎么说啊？
你刚说什么？
I'm so wet.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna... Oh, I can see the chat.
Let's prank HYUBSAMA, guys. Let's prank him. Come on, real fast. Everybody go to HYUBSAMA's channel and type "wood face" behind you. Real fast, real fast. Come on, let's do it. It's gonna be great.
Can use a bad racist word. Okay, if you use a bad racist word, ban forever. What is this sound?
Monka ass.
Monica S?
Monka ass. Please be nice to me, people.
Even the sound.
Oh, nani?
びっくりした. Don't do that. Scary.
see you.
Okay, so there's a lot of spam going on in the chat right now, and even though it's fun and about me, please don't spam the chat. My mom just bought me a new laptop, and when you spam the chat, it burns my legs. It heats up. The laptop heats up and it burns my legs. So if you guys could please not spam the chat. Thank you.
Oh, but you can't hold it.
I'll get you guys something later. No, it's gonna be hard. I'm overcoming all my stuff. Okay.
I need to find my wall first.
Oh my god. I can do this. Okay. Just hearing this sound.
What sound?
Take €1, okay?
Okay.
The problem is you probably have to take the change later with your hands.
I'm not taking the change. I'll pay you back.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Bye.
Get the fuck out. How'd you do that?
Anything you would like from the grocery store?
Get out, bitch. Not really.
Oh my god.
You saw that?
You talking to me?
Hold up.
Nah, pull this knife back up.
Easy,
Oh, you're locked out, bitch. Look at the speed. Look at the momentum.
All right.
Cut that bitch off. Next call.
This is so sad. Alexa, play Rio's Notebook.
Why does that happen when you open the notebook? That's pretty good. Hey, Puzzy, thanks, man. And Admiral Average, thanks very much. That's too good. I gotta get a notebook that does that. Okay.
Okay, got it. So.
Well, here's the fact is that I
babe.
represent a lot of people, and I represent more people than Blizzard wants to admit. But they want to pretend they live in some other kind of utopia full of progressive soccer moms that play 2 hours a week that vote for Bernie. And the truth is that most people that are still playing WoW are a bunch of fucking neckbeards just like me, and we have all pretty much the same damn opinions. The Blizzard doesn't want to. They want to pretend like it's not real.
Ignore that. Sorry, it's kind of loud. That's a red light, Tiffany. This is a red light. Stop. What are you doing?
Nobody stopped saying China.
What? That's a red... Tiffany! You
Hey, what's your language, young kid? There's no cars.
The Vault DJ, thanks for the 2 months. Stay safe. I'm doing my best, dude, but I'm not feeling very safe right now.
Guys, I have bad news. Chat, I have very bad news. Chat, I have really bad news.
8 months less than 3. Oh my god.
Last time someone sent me these, they didn't pop in my mouth, and I felt like I got scammed. Alright, tropical punch flavor. Let's go. Ah! Fucking... God damn it! Oh my god, you're so poppy! Oh my... Ow!
Okay. You're not gonna... I have to hold you, I'm sorry. I have to hold you. Okay. This is not working, dude. Okay, hold on.
You have to
Okay, I'm ready. No, wait.
shift your fucking weight.
Wait, what do you mean? I'm too heavy? I'm shifting it. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Go. Just go. It's fine.
I have to concentrate.
Okay. I'm gonna fall. Okay.
Throw away your foot.
Okay, wait. I'm fucking trying. Wait, I'm going.
Okay, fucking jump on.
Drop it.